The truth about SALT pregnancy tests.
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about an intriguing topic, SALT pregnancy tests. This is a DIY method that some people use to try to detect pregnancy. It's an interesting area to explore, but it's vital to understand that the SALT pregnancy test is not scientifically validated or reliable. Let's dive deeper into the subject.
What is a SALT pregnancy test?
A SALT pregnancy test is a homemade pregnancy test where you mix your morning urine with some salt. Some people believe that if the mixture forms a creamy white clump, it indicates a positive pregnancy test result, meaning pregnancy is likely. If the mixture just dissolves or stays liquid, it's considered a negative test, suggesting no pregnancy. However, the important thing to remember is that this method is not scientifically proven, and its reliability is questionable at best.
How long should you wait to see a result?
If you're conducting a SALT pregnancy test, you should see a reaction almost immediately or within a few minutes. However, it's crucial to reiterate that the result of a SALT pregnancy test is not reliable or medically validated. The reaction could be influenced by various factors such as the concentration of the urine or the type of salt, which can lead to false positives or negatives.
What is the most reliable way to confirm pregnancy?
The most reliable way to confirm a pregnancy is by using an over-the-counter pregnancy test, which detects the hormone HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, in your urine. These tests can usually detect pregnancy from the first day of your missed period or even earlier. If you suspect you might be pregnant, taking a pregnancy test purchased from a pharmacy or seeing a healthcare professional for a blood test are the most reliable methods to confirm or rule out a pregnancy. In conclusion, although the SALT pregnancy test might seem like a convenient and cheap method, it is not a reliable way to confirm pregnancy. If you think you might be pregnant, an over-the-counter pregnancy test or a visit to a healthcare professional will give you the most accurate answer. Remember, health matters should always be handled with care and accuracy. We hope this video has been enlightening. Thank you for watching.